Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can verify your artist account on Spotify, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm on the Emu Bands website and this is pretty much a distributor for music on Spotify. Distributors are services which upload your music for you on Spotify, and you should have one if you're planning on creating an artist account. Now, or if you already have one. The way you connect these two, you do need an artist URI or an artist link, and I'll be going over the steps on how to get that and how to enter that into Spotify so that you can connect your accounts. Now, this is pretty much the same for all distributors. Emu Bands is just an example, but their steps are very well displayed, so I'll go over them. And firstly, if you want to connect or verify your account before you have a first release, you need to check in inbox in your email. If you've already used your distributor to upload music, you need to check your inbox for an email titled Spotify processing your release or anything of the sort. Here it'll contain your release URI or your but not your artist URI, and receiving the email with the release URI means that your artist URI is ready, and you need to contact your distributor to see what your artist URI is. Once you get that, then you need to go ahead and go to the this link, https artists.spotify.com/claim, and once you're here, you need to select the profile you're trying to claim, and once you're there, once you select your profile, you need to paste your artist link or URI in the what profile are you claiming page, and once you've done this, Spotify's team will connect your accounts very shortly. Now, if you already have releases on Spotify, you just need to log into your distributor account and try to connect your accounts through a settings page or a toolkit in Emu Bands' example, and then just select Spotify from the drop down menu and just follow these steps to connect your accounts, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.